In fashion, we all love putting together different outfits showcasing our different styles. Part of this process is repeatedly wearing the same pieces over and over again. And as much as we love the pieces that we wear, observing proper clothing care plays a vital role in the clothes' longevity. But sometimes, clothing care instructions only include symbols without accompanying text, making it really confusing. So in this video, I will show a neat trick on how to make sense of care labels or laundry tag symbols using just your iPhone. Unfortunately, I don't know if this works with Android or if Android has a similar feature. All you will need is an iPhone and a care label or laundry tag. First, get your iPhone and take a photo of the care label. Second, open the iPhone's native photo app and open the photo of the label. Third, tap on the information icon at the bottom of the image. If your iPhone detects the laundry symbols, the eye icon will turn to a washer icon. Lastly, select laundry care, and just like magic, the meaning of the corresponding laundry symbols will be loaded. Isn't that neat and convenient? Now you won't have to worry about how to properly care for your prized pieces. With this trick, it will save you hours of figuring out what such laundry symbols mean while also stretching the longevity of your clothing pieces. Also, if you're an Android user, let me know in the comments below if Android has a similar feature. And also, if you made it this far into the video, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And until next time, stay safe, stay fitted, Happy New Year's, peace.